Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we learned the first 4 laws of exponents. If you haven't watched that video yet, I recommend watching it first because today's concepts continue from there. The link to the previous video is provided in the description below. Now, without wasting any time, let's continue with the remaining laws of exponents.
The fifth law is power of a quotient. The formula is A divided by B, the whole raised to the power of M. So the answer is A to the power of M divided by B to the power of M. So you have to raise both numerator and the denominator to the power. Example, 2 divided by 3, the whole raised to 2. So it should be written as 2 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 3s are 9. So your answer is 4 divided by 9. The sixth law is zero exponent. So the formula is a raised to the power of 0. You always get the answer as 1. So where a is not equal to 0. So example, 7 raised to the power of 0. So your answer will be 1. So any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 is always 1. The seventh law is negative exponent. The formula is a raised to the power of minus m is written as 1 divided by a to the power of m. So a negative exponent takes the reciprocal. So a to the power of minus m will be written as 1 divided by a to the power of m. So it will be the inverse of a minus m. So example, 2 raised to the power of minus 3. So it will be written as 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3. So it is 1 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8.
Eighth law is power of 1. So the formula is a raised to the power of 1 is equals to a. So any number raised to the power of 1, the answer is always the number itself. So an exponent tells how many times the number is being repeated. So raising the power to 1 means you are using the number exactly one time. So no multiplication is actually performed. So leaving the number unchanged. Example, 5 to the power of 1 equals to 5. So these are the most important 8 laws of exponents which acts as a base for logarithms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Commerce Made Easy by Jennifer. Thank you for watching.